Hello everyone, I welcome you all to KRLM CBSE School Moodle online classes. Today I will continue with 14th problem of exercise 6.3. So here in 14th problem they have not given any diagram. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC. Here we will draw a triangle ABC. Side AB and AC and median AD. Here we draw median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides of PQ and PR. Sides of PQ and PR means and PM of another triangle PQR. In PQR is respectively proportional to PQ and PR and median PM PM of another triangle PQR. So here they are given that show that we have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We have to prove. So now what they have given here? Given what they have given? AB is proportional to PQ here. AB by PQ is equals to AC and PR. AC by PR equals to these two medians AD and PM. AD by so they are given AB by PQ, AC by PR, AD by PM are proportional. They are given this is problem. And what we have to prove here? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Means if they are given here in the place of AD by PM, if they are given BC by QR, directly we can prove that ABC is similar to PQR because they are given that AB is proportional to PQ and AC is proportional to PR and here AD is proportional to PM. Here in the place of AD is proportional to PM, if they are given BC by QR, we can write these two triangles are similar by side. But they are given here AD by PM. Now we have to construct here construction. Extend AD and PM. We have to extend this AD and PM. Extend these two medians AD and PM such that AD should be equal to DE means here this AD should be equal to this point E. AD is equals to DE. So now I will join B and C. Like that only I will extend PM here, and PM is equals to ML. Here PM should be equal to ML. So now I will join these 2 points again. Here PM is equals to ML. Now we know that medians divide opposite sides. So now here I will write medians divide opposite sides. These two AD and PM are medians. Therefore, we know that here I will write medians divide opposite sides. So here, what is the median? AD divides opposite side is BC. Therefore, we know that BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC because medians divide opposite sides. Like that only here PM is equals to QM is equals to MR. QM equals to MR because medians divide opposite sides. Here AD and PM are medians. These two will divide opposite sides DC and QR in such a way that BD is equal to DC and QM is equal to MR. Now again we know that AD is equal to DE by construction and PM is equals to ML by construction. So now I will consider ABCD and PQRS are parallelograms. Now I will consider these two ABCD and this ABCD and PQR. Sorry, ABCE and PQRL as parallelogram. Why? We know that property of parallelogram. So, we know property of parallelogram. What is that? Diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, here AD is equal to DE and BD is equal to DC. This is AD is equal to DE. Why? By construction, AD is equal to DE and BD is equal to DC. Why? Medians divide opposite sides. Like that only here also PM is equal to ML and QM is equal to MR. Here I will write AD equals to DE and QM is equals to, yes, medians divide opposite sides. Now I will write AD is equals to DE by construction. Like that only here PM is equals to ML. PM is equals to ML. So here now I can consider these two quadrilaterals as parallelogram because ABC and PQRL are parallelograms. Why? Because of the property diagonals bisect each other, means diagonals will divide each other equally into two parts. Therefore, here BD is equal to DC and AD is equal to AE. Like that, when QM is equal to MR and PM is equal to ML. Therefore, here diagonals are bisecting each other. Therefore, we can consider these two as parallelograms. If these two are parallelograms, then we can say that this AC is equals to BE, AC is equal to BE, and AB is equal to EC. Why? In parallelogram we know that opposite sides are equal. Therefore, here AC is equal to BE. Here I write AC is equal to BE, and AB is equal to EC, and AB is equal to EC. AB is equal to EC. Like this only here also. What you can write? PR is equal to QL. PR is equal to QL. And PQ is equal to RL. PQ is equal to RL. So here these opposite sides are equal to each other, because we know that property of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal to each other. Therefore, AC is equal to BE here, and AB is equal to EC here also. PR is equal to QL and PQ is equal to RL, because opposite sides of parallelogram. Now they are given that AB by PQ. Here I will write AB by PQ equals to AC by PR equals to AD by PM. This is given. AB by PQ, AC by PR, AD by PM. So now what I will do? I will multiply 2 AD and PM. 2 AD by 2 PM. I will write 2 AD by 2 AM. See here, AB by PQ, AC by PR. Now what I will do? I will multiply 2 to both sides here. 2 AD by 2 PM. So here, if you divide this 2 and this 2, you will get again AD by PM only. So there is no change. If I write here 2 AD by 2 PM, there is no change. If you can divide this 2 and this 2, you will get AD by PM only. So now, in the place of 2 AD by PM, in the place of this 2 AD by 2 PM, what you can write? See here, 2 AD means I can write. The place of 2 AD means you can write AE. 2 AD means AE, because AD is half of the AE. Therefore 2 AD means you can write AE. Like that only here also 2 PM means you can write PL. So here AB by PQ equals to AC by PR equals to 2 AD means you can write AE by 2 PM means PL. AE by PL. So now I will consider opposite sides of AC and PR. Here AC means BE is the opposite side. We know that AC is equal to BE, because these two are opposite sides of parallelogram. Therefore, in the place of AC we can write BE, and here in the place of PR, opposite side is QL. Right here, AB by PQ is equals to AC means opposite side BE. BE by PR means what you can write? QL equals to AE by PL. AE by PL. See here, what are the sides? AB by PQ means these two sides, and B by QL means B and QL these two sides, and remaining AE by PL. AE by PL means this side. So now we want to know these three sides are proportional, means triangle AEP and PLQ are similar by side. So here what I can write, by these three sides we can write, here I will write, therefore triangle is ABE is similar to triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQL. Triangle PQL. These two triangles are similar now. If these two triangles are similar by side, we can say that angle BAE means this angle is equals to angle QPL, this angle, by CPCT. If these two angles are equal, then if these two triangles are similar, then these two angles are equal, BAE and QPL or PQL. So here these two triangles are similar by side. These three sides. One, these two sides, and these two sides. By side, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, what you can write here, angle BAE means this angle is equals to QPL, this angle, by simplicity. Here, angle BAE is similar to angle QPL by CPCT. These two angles are equal now. Now I will consider this as 1. So here I will consider this as 1. BAE is equal to QPL. Again, similarly, we can prove that angle CAE means this angle is equals to angle RPL, this angle. Similarly, directly I will write here. Similarly, we can prove that angle CAE means this angle CAE is equals to angle RPL means this angle RPL. So here I will consider this as second. So now if you want to prove angle CAE and RPL, consider the opposite sides. Here AB is parallel to CE. In the place of AB you can consider CE, because here AB means you know that AB is equal to CE. Opposite sides are equal. Therefore, in the place of AB you can write CE, and PQ means here opposite side of PQ is RL. If in the place of AB you consider CE and in the place of PQ if you consider RL, we can prove that these two triangles means AEC and PLR, these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then these two angles are equal because of CPCT. These two angles are equal. But here I have written it directly. Similarly, if these two angles are equal, we can prove that these two angles are equal. Now, what I will do, I will add 1 and 2. It's 1 and 2. So here I will write first we will consider left hand part, angle BAE plus angle CAE. Angle BAE plus angle CAE equals to right hand part, angle QPL plus angle RPL. Angle RPL. So here BAE plus C in this diagram, here BAE means this angle plus CAE means this angle. So if we add these two angles, what you will get? Angle CAB. So here I will write angle CAB equals to angle here QPL means this angle is equal to, sorry, plus angle RPL means this angle. So QPL plus RPL means these two angles. If you add these two angles, what you will get here? Angle RPQ. Here RPQ means this whole angle. Here I will write angle RPQ means these two angles are equal now. Now we can consider two triangles ABC and PQR. What we have to prove here? ABC is similar to PQR. ABC is similar to PQR. We have to prove this. To prove this, I will consider these two triangles ABC is and triangle PQR. Here they have given that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Here AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. They have given this AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. And we prove that angle CAB means this whole angle is equal to angle RPQ means this angle RPQ. These two angles are equal. Here I will write angle CAB equals to angle RPQ. So now what you can write here? Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side means here two sides and one angle are equal. Therefore, by side these two triangles are similar. See here properly, we have to prove that ABC is similar to PQR. To prove this, what we did? We constructed AD in such a way that AD should be equal to AE. AD should be equal to DE. Like that, only PM should be equal to ML. And we know that these medians bisect opposite sides. BD is equal to DC and QM is equal to MR. So we got to know that here diagonals are bisecting, therefore these two are parallelograms. If these two are parallelograms, then we know that opposite sides of parallelograms are equal. And here they have given this AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. So here in the place of AD by PM, I have written 2AD by 2PM. And 2AD by 2PM means what you will get? AE by PL. Here AE by PL. Again, in the place of here AC by PR, opposite side of AC is BE. Here I have written in the place of BE, AC, I have written BE. Like that, only in the place of PR, I have written QL, BE by QL. So here these three sides are proportional. If these three sides are proportional, then triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQL. So we can tell that these two angles are equal, means BAD and QPM, these two angles are similar. Similarly, we can prove that Here CAE, this angle, and RPL, these two angles. So next step we will add 1 and 2, we will get these two angles are equal. If these two angles are equal, they are given that these two sides and these two sides are proportional. So there are two sides are equal and one angle is equal. Therefore, we can write a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is the 14th problem. This is little bit lengthy problem, but when you practice this, it will be easy for you. And try to remember this problem in step by step. What are given here? ABC. We have to prove ABC is similar to PQR. So how you have to think? You have to think here. First, we have to construct that DE and ML in such a way that AD should be equal to DE and PM should be equal to ML. And we know that by in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. Here BD is equal to DC and QM is equal to MR. Therefore, we can write these two are parallelogram. In first step, what we have to do? In first step, we have to prove that these two are parallelograms. So, to prove these two as parallelograms, what we are doing here? This AD is equal to DE and BD is equal to DC. Here also PM is equal to ML, QM is equal to MR. We have to write that, and we have to write these two are parallelograms. This is in first step. If you write that in second step, what you can do? They are given this. These three sides are proportional. We have to write this and multiply 2AD 2AD. In second step, what we are doing here? We should prove this ABE is similar to PQL. ABE is similar to PQL. We have to prove these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then we can write by CPCT these two angles are equal. Means these two angles are equal. You can write. How to prove that? Directly write here in the place of AD and PM, 2AD, 2PM. So we will get AE and PL here, and in the place of AC and PR, these two are not sides of these two triangles. Therefore, write the opposite sides which are equal. AC equal to BE. Write BE and PR is equal to QL. Here write QL. Therefore, you will get these two triangles are similar. And you can write these two angles are equal by CPCT. Like that only you can write these two angles are equal by CPCT. So in second step, what you did here? In first step, we proved these two are parallelograms. In second step, what you have to do? These two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, PLQ and AEB are similar. If these two are similar, these two angles are equal. Therefore, we can prove that these two angles are also equal in second step. In third step, what we have to do? You have to add first and second. What you will get? These two angles are equal. If you get these two angles are equal, then they have given that these two sides, this side and these sides are proportional and these two angles are equal. Therefore, we can write ABC is similar to PQR. So, try to remember the problem in step by step and analyze the problem. How to prove this? First, what we have to do to prove what they have given. I hope you all are clear with this problem. In next class, I will continue with 15th problem. Thank you all.